How does Singapore see the situation in Venezuela? And how do you think what has happened impacts on the changing world order, particularly in our region?
Well, we are very gravely concerned by the US military intervention in Venezuela. MFA put out a press statement stating our views, and we are against military intervention in other countries because this is contrary to international law, is contrary to UN Charter. We have always stated our position unequivocally on these matters, whichever the situation, whether it's Ukraine a couple of years ago, whether it's Grenada, 1983, I think, which was an invasion by the US. And we have voted accordingly at the UN. And I think in this case it's quite clear it's a contravention of international law. Now, Venezuela is a complicated country. It's got a very difficult internal situation. Its legitimacy of the government is questioned. It's causing difficulties to its neighbors because of drugs, because of refugees, destabilizing the neighborhood, and including, I can believe, causing some difficulty to the United States. But that does not justify a military intervention by one country into another unilaterally and without any proper authorization. The immediate consequences, maybe it works, it's a spectacular military success. The longer-term consequences on the international system, I think that is something which we have to worry about. From the point of view of a small country, if that is the way the world works, we have a problem. To some extent, that has always been the way the world works. The US has done this many times over in different parts of the world. I mentioned some of them just now. And other powers do it too. But you look at the situation, you look at the impact of it, and you ask yourself, is this a plus or a minus? And I don't think this is a plus.